will show you guys later
Chased by a truck.
what we got and how much we spent for today's. Yun na yun. Yeah. So, abangan nyo kung anong mabibili namin and how much we spend. Okay?
We need to go to the soap.
Soap. Oh, yeah. And what are you looking for at Home Depot right now?
Soap.
We went all the way to Home Depot just to buy soap. Like, come on, really? Oh, I guess. You know how people are paranoid when people are coughing. I'm gonna cough like. We are here at Home Depot. My mom is buying some stuff for her garden. Let's do a trick. Let's trick someone. Go ahead. Can we trick somebody? Okay. Utot ako ng malakas kaya. What do you think? I'm waiting for my fart to come out. Para matakot sila. Ayun, lumabas. Baka tayo lumabas.
Ayun.
Ayaw, shoot. I guess you got lucky. They got soap at a Home Depot. Congratulations! Yan. May soap pala. Akala ko dapat pupuntahan namin Walmart or Target, ganyan. Pero may ganito pala sa Home Depot.
Wala.
So, we'll see. I guess wala yung sabon na gusto ni Mama.
Wala.
Wala.
Cleaning solution lang.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano, ito ba yun?
No, that's not that.
Video. Magawa niya kumakatok. Why you knocking on that?
Damdam mo pa rin. Knock twice.
Oh.
It's not.
Wow. It's not working. It's fake.
Oh shit.
False advertisement. It didn't work. Ito na ang aming napamili. Sabon lang ang hinahanap namin dito dapat eh. Sabon lang. Ano nangyari sa sabon?
Walang sabon, kaya ayan.
Ay, kala ko Barbie. After shopping, they all look sad. Lahat na lang kinunan mo. Bakit ba ma ang vlogging? You're a Filipino monkey hating like.